Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about the concentrated acid and dilute acid. First of all, we'll start with this, and we are continuing with the Selena's acid-base chapter. Okay. So here we see concentration of acid means what? It is the amount of acid present in a definite amount of aqueous solution. If the amount of acid present is more than the water, then it is a concentrated acid, and if the water present is more as compared to the mass of the acid, that means it will be a dilute acid. And the next one we have कि whenever we are asked to prepare a dilute acid, we basically pour acid into the water and not water into the acid. Okay, and that too when we pour acid into the water, that we do it in a very small amount and do it constantly we stir it. Why is that so? Because water is not added into the acid, because the reaction goes highly exothermic, and in this process so much of heat is released, splashing of acid solution may occur, and due to which the container may break into pieces, and that can be fatal for the person operating it. Is that clear? So we should never pour water into the acid. Now the next part of it. What is the meaning of concentration of an acid? It means the amount of water present in the acid. Okay, and strength of an acid means the measure of concentration of the H plus ion or the hydronium ion produced when in an aqueous solution. What they basically want to say that concentration of an acid is different and strength of an acid, this both of the terms are different. Acid or a base, you take both. Concentration means presence of acid into water. Okay, and strength means presence of hydronium ion in water. Okay, so concentration may we have concentrated acid and dilute acid. Okay, but in the strength we have in strength we are talking about the strength of the acid, which means what? If I compare between the dilute acid and dilute acetic acid, which of the following will be a stronger, which one of the following will have greater strength? किसका strength ज़्यादा होगा? So basically the strength of an acid will depend upon the degree of ionization, that is alpha, and the concentration of hydronium ion present. That means अगर आप dilute मतलब कि normal HCl एसिटिक हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को अगर आप पानी में डालते हैं तो आपको पता है HCl स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है, कम्प्लीटली आयोनाइज होगा, तो उसमें आपको ज़्यादा H प्लस आयन देखने को मिलेगा. ठीक है, इसके वजह से डाइल्यूट एसिड का जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो स्ट्रॉन्गर एसिड होगा. ओके, डाइल्यूट एसिड जो है आपका स्ट्रॉन्गर एसिड होगा एज़ कम्पेयर टू दी हाईली कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड एसिटिक एसिड, क्योंकि अगर आप कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड एसिटिक एसिड ले लेते हैं तो वहाँ पे एसिड का तो अमाउंट ज़्यादा है, बट जब आप पानी में इसको डालेंगे आपको उतना ज़्यादा H प्लस आयन नहीं मिलेगा. इसलिए एसिटिक एसिड बीइंग कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड इज़ लेस स्ट्रॉन्गर, बट डाइल्यूट HCl is found to be more stronger acid compared to the concentrated acetic acid. एक और चीज़, it will depend upon two things, that is the degree of ionization and the number of H plus ion released. दो फैक्टर पे डिपेंड करेगा. एक और चीज़ यहाँ पे बोलने के लिए कि इफ़ द डिग्री ऑफ आयनाइजेशन ऑफ एन एसिड और अ बेस इज मोर देन 30%, मतलब कि व्हेन यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग दिस वैल्यू एंड इफ यू गेटिंग द वैल्यू इज मोर देन 30%, देन इट इज़ जनरली कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ स्ट्रॉन्गर एसिड, and if the value is found to be less than 30%, then it is considered to be a weak acid. I hope this concept is clear.